welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm back with another hairstyle tutorial. So I've done these Dutch braids with little bunches to finish them off. I just think this looks so cute. You could honestly wear this any time of the year. So what I've done with the Dutch braids, instead of doing them back over like I usually would when I do them, I've just kept them quite near the front and then finished it off with a little bunch. You could also actually wear this in like a little bun at the bottom. That'd be quite cute too. So yeah, if you'd like to see the tutorial, then just keep watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.